Hello KIDSMAX kids. In this video, I'm going to tell you one wonderful story. Before that, I'm going to give you a task. In page number 21, KIDSMAX magazine, we have given you a situation. Just think over it and write it. What do you do in that situation? Look at the first two questions. First question is, your friends are fighting inside the classroom. What would you do in that situation? And the second question is, what measures will you take to solve this issue? If you are able to make things right means, go ahead and do it. Ask them to stop the fight. Be the neutral party. Don't take any side of them. Instead of fight, suggest an alternative idea that both can agree on. Otherwise, you can call your class teacher and let them figure it out. Let's see the third question. How will you make them to understand the power of peace and unity? To answer this question, first you should read the wonderful story in page number 21. United we stand, divided we fall. John and Sam were good cricket players, but were not good friends. They always quarreled among themselves, especially when they are playing together in a team. Their coach advised them to be united, but they did not listen. John and Sam did not want to obey the captain Tim's order. It caused the whole team to lose an important match. The coach, who was about to retire, was worried about the team's future. One day, he asked Tim, John, and Sam to bring 11 wooden stumps. The coach tied those stumps in a bundle and asked the boys to break the bundle. It was too hard to break it. Then the coach united the bundle and asked them to break one stump each. But this time they were able to break into two pieces. At that moment, coach said, "Dear boys, you were not able to break the stumps when they were tied together, but you broke it when they were divided. They are strong as a team in the bundle and became weak when separated." Now the boys realized that they could not win any matches if they are divided. All the three boys smiled at each other, and from that day onwards, they never quarreled and won many cricket matches. So, what you understand from this story? Where there is a unity, there is a peace and happiness. So, the moral of the story is we should come together to stand as one and help each other. Only then others would do the same for us. If we fight each other, we will fail. If we work together as a team, we will be peaceful and successful. Thank you.